Hey everyone, it's Aki here, and I just want to start by thanking you for all the incredible support. It's been a fun journey so far, following along my DIY desktop wind tunnel project. We are getting so close to a point where you can finally get it from my website and do your own experiment, and I truly appreciate your support in getting me this far. So recently, I've been working on setting up an online shop where you can order it. If you visit akitechspace.com, you will see that it's still under construction. But I noticed some of you guys have already checked it out and even signed up for the email list, which means a lot to me. It shows me that what I'm working on is connecting with you guys. While I've been focusing on the business side lately, today, I really want to talk about something that I've been working on. I am experimenting with ways to optimize my current wind tunnel design to cut down the print time and reduce unnecessary material while keeping everything functional. For example, I'm experimenting with the thickness of the air straightener block to find out the right balance that still generates a nice airflow but uses less material. Another update I'm making is with the access to the chamber. Right now, it has a lid on the top, which I find a little difficult to access. So I'm working on a hinge design where you can swing it open. I also plan to change the front panel to connect with the top, forming an L-shaped opening. I will add curved plexi to increase the viewable window to see the inside better, since the current window feels a little small and limiting. These changes will allow me to cut down the print time and the material cost, which will hopefully translate into a lower price for you when the wind tunnel is ready to sail. One thing that remains unchanged is the water mist generation method. I'm sticking with water because I believe it's a non-invasive option compared to some of the electronic smoke generator, which I'm not a big fan of. Water, it's accessible to everyone and easy to work with. I also want to keep the water mist generator separate from the wind tunnel so you can move the mist nozzle around and interact with it to target different spots on your model cars. Yes, it won't look as integrated, but I think it's more practical that way. So yeah, again, check out my website and sign up for updates. I'm working non-stop on these optimizations, and I should have the final design and testing wrapped up in the next few days. I'm really hoping to have the shop open by the end of the week. I truly appreciate all you following along and showing interest in potentially getting one for yourself. But remember, designing and 3D printing takes time, and setting up the business side at the same time has been a learning experience for me. The journey has taught me a lot, and your support has really motivated me throughout the process. Once everything's ready, I will upload the final version of the wind tunnel along with the water mist generator for you to check out. So stay tuned. My name's Aki, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.